Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the side button. Keep holding it until the watch turns on. It takes a couple of seconds. After the watch turns on, you can release the button and you may see the QR code on the screen or the home screen, the current watch face. So after the watch turns on, you will need to download and install the GloryFit application on your iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the App Store, tap on the search icon, then tap on search bar and type in GloryFit and tap on search button. Scroll through the list of applications and find this application, GloryFit. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. After the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. Once you see this pop up about the Bluetooth permission, tap on OK to allow it, because this one is required. And once you're done with the permissions, you can log into account if you want to keep your data, basically. So if you have an account in the GloryFit application, you'll get the health data, like something maybe like training, running, cycling and stuff like that. And to keep this data, you need to create an account and log in. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on Get button right here, or use the third-party login like Apple or Facebook. You can also tap on the Skip button right here to skip the registration process or login process and use anonymous account, so basically without creating one. But if you remove this application without logging into account, you will lose all of your data. So if you want to keep the data, make an account. If you don't care, you can tap on Skip. Let's tap on Skip again. As you can see, we need to set up a profile. And once you're done with the profile, you'll get a couple pop-ups about the permissions. You can allow them or deny them. Then tap on OK. And you should see the home page of the application. Now, let's tap on the device icon. You can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. So basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, you need to allow this permission. If you don't care, you can deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Then tap on the Add New Device button. Tap on Select Device. And the app should start looking for the nearby devices. And it should detect your R3 Pro. Once it does, tap on it to select it. And after a couple of seconds, the pairing process should be complete. Also, if you get this pop-up on the screen, tap on Pair to pair the devices. Allow or deny the permission for the notifications. Wait a couple more seconds in case we get more pop-ups, but we won't, I think. So at this point, the devices are paired together. If you check the top of the screen in the app, you will see your device right here, the name of the device and the battery level. Also, if you wake up the screen on your watch, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here you will see this chain link icon, which indicates that the watch is paired with a phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with an iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.